Today we are going to study the problems based on synchronous motion. First question is determine the main dimensions of a 1000 kVA 50 Hz 3-phase 375 RPM alternator. The average air gap flux density is 0.55 Weber per meter square and the ampere conductor per meter are 28,000. Use rectangular poles and assume a suitable value for ratio of columns to pole pitch in order that bolted on pole construction is used for which the maximum permissible peripheral speed is 50 meter per second. The runaway speed is 1.8 times the synchronous speed, that is 1.8 times the peripheral speed. In these questions, we need to find out the main dimensions, that is capital D and L. For that, first we have to find out the synchronous speed in RPS, that is given by 375 by 60 RPS. Next, we need to find out the number of poles. We know the equation for synchronous speed, that is Ns equal to 2F by P. From this, we will get the value of P. Next, we have to assume the winding factor Kw as 0.955 if it is not given in the question. We also know that the output equation is Q is equal to CO d square L into Ns, where CO is the output coefficient is given by 11 BAV/AC Kw in 10 raised to minus 3. Kw is assumed to be 0.955. BAV and AC is given in the question. Substituting these values, we will get equation number 1. And also in the question, it is mentioned as rectangular pole. So normally the range of rectangular pole is 1 to 5. So I have taken 2 in this question. So L by tau is equal to 2, where tau is pi d by p. You can select any values in between 1 to 5. Normally it should be up to 3. So substituting the value of poles, we will get equation as equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2, we will get the values for capital D and capital L. Next, we are going to find out the peripheral speed at runaway speed. In the question, it is given as 1.8 times the synchronous speed, that is 1.8 times the peripheral speed. So first we have to find out the peripheral speed. V is equal pi d ns. We got peripheral speed as 26.70 meter per second. So substituting this value in peripheral speed at runaway speed, we will get 48.06 meter per second, which is within the limit. So a simple bolted on pole construction can be used since it is below 50 meter per second. Next question is find the main dimensions of a 2500 kVA 187.5 RPM 50 Hz 3-phase 3 kW salient pole synchronous generator. The generator is to be vertical water wheel type, that is salient pole synchronous generator. The specific magnetic loading is 0.6 Weber per meter square. Specific electric loading is 34,000 ampere conductor per meter. Here we have to use circular pole with ratio of pole arc to pole pitch is 0.65. With given details, determine the following. Specify the type of construction. Use the runaway speed is about 2 times normal speed. So first we have to find out the main dimensions capital D and L. Also we have to find out the type of constructions. So first we found out the speed in RPS. Then we found the number of poles and we assumed the Kw as 0.955. Next, we know that the output equation is CO d square L into Ns. First, we find out the output coefficient CO from the equation 11 BAV/AC Kw in 10 raised to minus 3. BAV/AC is given in the question, Kw is assumed. While substituting this equation, we will get equation number 1. And in the question, it is given as circular coil of ratio 0.65. So substituting this, L by tau is equal to 0.65 and tau is pi d by p. Substituting the value of p, we will get equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2, we will get the main dimensions capital D and capital L. Next, we have to find out the type of construction. For that, first we have to find out the peripheral speed. And then in the question, it is given as peripheral speed at runaway speed is 2 times the normal speed, that is 2 times the peripheral speed. So 2 into peripheral speed we got as 76.226 meter per second, which is approximately near to 80 meter per second. Therefore a dovetail construction can be used. Next question is, find the main dimensions of 100 MVA, 11 kV, 50 Hz, 150 RPM three-phase water wheel generator. Water wheel generator is salient pole. The average gap density is 0.65 Weber per meter square and ampere conductor per meter is 40,000. The peripheral speed shouldn't exceed 65 meter per second at normal running speed in order to limit the runaway peripheral speed. So in this question we need to find out the main dimension, that is capital D and L. And also in this question it is given, Q is given in MVA, so we need to convert that into kVA since the equation is in kVA. Next is, in this question it is not mentioned which type of pole is used, so we have to find out whether it is rectangular or circular pole. So first we have to find out this synchronous speed in RPS. Next we need to find out the number of poles, and then we have to assume the winding factor as 0.955. So we know the equation as CO d square L into ns. CO is 11 BAV/AC kW in 10 raised to minus 3. BAV/AC is given in the question, kW we have assumed. Then substituting these values, we have to be careful that in this question Q is equal to 100 MVA. So we have to convert that into kVA. That is 100 into 10 raised to 3 substituted in this equation. Okay. So we obtained equation number 1 in d square L. Next we have to find out whether it is rectangular pole or circular pole is used. So first circular pole we have taken. So normal the range of circular pole ratio is L by tau is equal to 0.6 to 0.7. So here we have taken the value 0.65. Substituting the value 0.65, we got equation number 2. And solving equation 1 and equation 2, we got two dimensions D and L. Next we have to find out whether this is the actual dimension or this is the original one. So for that we are going to substitute the value of going to find out the value of peripheral speed. V is equal to pi d ns. So substituting the value of d in this equation, we got peripheral speed as 111, which is very high. In the question it is given as only 65 meter per second, so it is very high, so we are not going to use circular pole. So next we are going to employ rectangular pole. In rectangular pole the range is from 1 to 5, so we need to find out all the range. Okay, so first I have found out L by tau equal to 1, so we got value of D and L. For checking that, we substitute the value of D in the equation of peripheral speed. We got peripheral speed as 96.9, which is above the limit. Okay, so in the question it is only 65 meter per second. Next L by tau is given 2, then we got D and L, and substituting the value of D we got peripheral speed as 76.75, which is also above the limit which is given in the question. And then we substitute the value L by tau as 3. Then also we got the peripheral speed as 67 meter per second, which is above the value. And the case 4, we substitute the value L by tau as 4. On substituting the value of D in VA, we got the peripheral speed as 60.9 meter per second, which is within the limit. So we have chosen the value for main dimension as capital D and capital L when L by tau is equal to 4. This is the actual main dimensions.